Good evening. This is James Kinney, Chairman of the Board of Northampton Board of Supervisors. And in the interest of public safety, the Board of Supervisors is asking the residents of the township not to venture out on the roads. Further, the Department of Public Works will be intensifying plowing operations in an attempt to open internal township roads and replow the main roads. All residents are asked to give their full cooperation to help us in this severe emergency. This is another reminder that your vehicles must be removed from the roadway, as abandoned vehicles only hamper plowing and emergency operations. We will have no other option than to tow obstructing vehicles. Keep in mind, all emergencies are being handled by 911. Thank you very much. Gotta come across, right?
Yeah.
73. I think you guys
It's almost like a cop show.
My car's already been there and cleared. There's nothing there. You can close your unit off. Okay. Engine 3 EOC, you can put us off radio. Received engine 3.
Star 32, cross 3 stars, storage drive. Wire, up Charlie.
Pete's development, because of the we're there for that fire call, shouldn't be too bad.
This road looks good here.
Well, that's because they're coming up and down.
Yeah.
I mean, they're always here. What's going to be interesting is your street, Jim.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's going to be. Well, Adam was in there earlier to get you, so.
Yeah, he came in. He didn't have any trouble. Hey, Frank, it can't be any worse than what we just came through in your area.
Yeah, look at this first.
Oh, man. Oh, well, super, Jim.
That's unusual.
Want to open the ladder bay too?
Road, man, buck. Birthday. You guys pull the watch from location. I'm definitely ready for that.
What did Pat say? Was the vehicle blocking Torresdale or stuck on Torresdale?
Supposedly one stuck at somewhere on Torresdale.
Probably tried to make it up the hill to get out.
I was through here about 2 hours ago doing that fire call on Covey Lane, so they had opened this up, so at least the Georgiana we should be alright. I think I'm going to go out that way, Jim. That seemed to be a pretty decent way to go. Getting a soup.
Engine 73 ESC, we're off radio station.